This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, December 28th, 2012. Now, the first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today, using NCAR once again, we have a system moving across the middle part of the country, including the state of Iowa, with some snow, very little at best, maybe an inch or two. It would be a very dry snow, a lot of moisture down along the Gulf Coast, however. We'll be taking a lot of it. And as we move into Saturday, you can see that system moves off to the east. We remain, we'll turn dry and not really turn much cooler. We see highs still remaining in the teens to lower to middle 20s. That continues into Sunday with some snow well to our north. New system out in the Pacific. New system moving off the east coast into the Atlantic. Fairly quiet across the country, but that doesn't last. Here into Monday, New Year's Eve, we have a system moving in from the south and west. This could graze our southern counties with a bit of snow. Otherwise, mainly cloudy skies except in the far north, but that system doesn't bring much of any precipitation except in the far southern and southeastern counties, because on New Year's Day it's off to our east with some snow and rain and thunderstorms in the south and east. We head to Wednesday. Another little system drops in that could create a few flurries or light snow showers in Minnesota and Wisconsin. These could clip the northeastern counties Wednesday night into early Thursday. But by Thursday midday, it's off to the south and east. This is going to bring cold weather down once more, so maybe highs back in the teens to near 20 with lake effect snow to our east. And even a week from today, next Friday, we have a bit of energy moving into the plains at this point. Trough over the east, another one out in the Pacific with a bit of a ridge on the coast. And this energy in the middle part of the country doesn't have much moisture with it, so maybe a few clouds, but still remaining, fairly seasonal to below average into the first weekend of January. Now to the San Jose state maps. We look further ahead. This is on the 7th. We have a decent amount of energy coming into the west coast, another coming in from the south and west into the state with some energy, and that could bring some Gulf moisture up our way, but it's not looking too good for any heavy precipitation. That'll be to our south and to our south and east, but we could see something if this is right. And at the end of the forecast on the 11th, we have one piece energy coming at us over about St. Louis, but another stronger one over the Four Corners region, and this one we'll have to watch for the middle of the month, as we have a system, the first piece of energy coming up, 996 millibar low near Columbia, Missouri, so this could bring snow, and maybe quite a bit of it if this is right. We'll have to see. Last night's satellite image showed a storm system nothing like the one we just saw in the model. A weak system producing some wintry precipitation in the middle west and down into the mid-south, and a new storm moving into the Pacific northwest coast. Watch morning map from last evening. Some winter weather issues across Arkansas into Oklahoma and North Texas. Winter weather advisory in northwestern Iowa into adjacent Minnesota and South Dakota. And some other wintry weather issues across the country, including the state of Maine. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing some decent amounts of rain across the south and up the east coast, and a little bit around here, mainly today and by tonight.